No, babciu kochana.
No co? Nie
No
będziesz
cio.
uczyć?
No za chwilę.
Aha,
Jeszcze nie. Która godzina jest teraz? 8?
nie wiem. No, do 9 minęło.
To ja babciu będę uczyć tak około chyba 11. I'm pissed, and let's learn practical English together. I'm pissed means that I really am frustrated, upset. It's not good. Here there are some videos that I am editing. There is this stupid video about AI, and I'm saying stupid because I'm frustrated. I'm truly frustrated. I've been editing this for I don't know how many hours, but as you can see, there are some black parts, and those parts are with my face. What's annoying is that I've been trying to troubleshoot this, to solve it, and it's just a problem with the clip, not the app. It's just that clip, but the clip works, and it's not obsolete. 4 hours of editing.
Understand the assignment.
I am obsessed with this. Like, I want all my videos to sound like this now.
Et donc récemment aussi j'ai commencé l'hindi, le tagik et aussi l'urdu. C'est mon histoire.
Ouais,
Et toi?
İşler.
Porca troia. Talk out about something, sleep on something, torn between two choices, have second thoughts, have a plan A and a plan B, make a decision, base a decision on something, come to a decision, challenge a decision, involve somebody in a decision, research, carry out research, research reveals something. Okay, the research revealed. According to research. Because I don't understand the homework. It's a lot of homework. I don't know if the student has had to do all this homework for today, because the last lesson wasn't with me. If he had all this homework, we check it. It's a lot of grammar. I don't want to do loads of grammar. Usually lesson planning takes longer than the actual lesson. To be fair, with this student it's quite easy because I already know him, I know his strengths, his weaknesses, but with other students it takes longer. Now I have this one at 11, and then I have a lesson at 4 p.m. and then another lesson at 7 p.m. I believe. So I have a lot of time. Usually the lessons I tend to have are one after the other, after the other, after the other.
A few moments later.
Ignore what I've just said. I don't have the lesson at 4. My brain doesn't function following hours. My brain functions based on activities. A portion of the day which is before my first lesson. Then I have the portion of the day between my morning and afternoon lesson. And then I have the evening lesson, and then it's like a green light kind of part of the day. I don't have anything urgent to deal with. So removing one element of this block means I have to rearrange everything in my mind. Do I have ADHD? I don't know. Stai lavorando? Sì, ancora no, ma sì. Tell me if I'm the only one who has this issue with, time blocks. I cannot function properly if I think about hours. Like, it's 8 a.m., it's 9 a.m. I don't care. I have the before shower and after shower part of the day, before lunch and after lunch part of the day. It could be any time. Prawdopodobnie mam zajęcia teraz o 11 i później o 7 wieczór, wiesz? godzinkę. Teraz mam godzinkę i wieczorem pewnie mam godzinkę, jeśli jeszcze to mi potwierdzą, bo przed wakacjami wiesz, bo jutro są wakacje we Włoszech, jest dzień wolny od pracy. Także wszyscy się dzisiaj budzą i mówią, nie ma mnie, bo jutro mam wolne, no to dzisiaj też. Tak właśnie to wygląda. Hello. Hi. How are you? What did you do these days? What have you done? Okay. Did you study during the holidays or did you relax? Both. Okay, okay. Did you have a lot of chocolate eggs? Did you open them? Yeah? Yeah, it's we say an oldie but goldie, right? Okay, when are you going back to school? Next week, okay. Can come across as challenging. Is I met John, okay. He came across as a very negative person. So I had the impression he was a very negative person. After getting to know him, I understood he wasn't. Okay, so come across as, very important, come across as. Good, very good. All the other options are correct. Are you kidding me? Like, I'm just so curious. I love Kinder Bueno. It's probably one of my favorite Kinder, chocolates. So good. O, babcia idzie.
A z kim mówisz?
A nic. Mówię do siebie, babciu, bo albo nagrywam, albo jak mieszkam sama, to mówię sama do siebie, babciu. Ile razy?
Tak i mama też tak nieraz mówi. Ego, Marysiu, do kogo ty mówisz?
Sama do siebie.
Sama do siebie.
No. A ja też w innych językach tak
No wiem.
ćwiczę
wiem,
sobie.
Wiem.
Kiedyś mówiłam coś po francusku, tak zaczęłam mówić, kiedyś po polsku, kiedyś po włosku.
No.
Najgorsze to jest chyba w sklepie. W sklepie czasami też mówię do siebie, mówię, to mi się nie podoba. Albo to jest drogo. Tak? No ja zjadłam kanapkę, zjadłam czekoladkę, jeszcze kawa
Dobrze.
i później obiad będzie nie wiem o której, bo pojadłam.
No właśnie.
Babciu, dopiero zjadłam 2-3 czekoladki, zjadłam kanapkę, kawę se robię i full. Ile tu przytyję, to sama wiem. I lost the track of time. I didn't even have lunch. But the video about rap is going to be out soon. It's ready. I'm so happy about this because this is such a video that I've been wanting to film for a while now. It's definitely going to rain. I had to turn the ring light on. Just filmed a video about the 25th of April, which in Italy is Liberation Day, la festa della liberazione. And I was explaining what do we do, how we celebrate it, even though this year there has been, of course, the death of Papa Francesco, Pope Francis. So basically it's a bit different. I'm not even in Italy, so I don't know much about how they're celebrating now. But yeah, it's a bit strange, to be fair. Mam zajęcia, dobra? O no! No ślimaki.
No, jak wylazły, no to Paulina nie
O.
zjadł truskawki, to co będziemy miały? Muszę posypać granulki.
Ojej. There's also a Luca Lampariello video and I want to watch it. Do you know what? Fuck AI. Sorry, no, I'm joking. They've added one of my favorite films. It's 3 hour long, but it's an incredible film. Love it. Mama. Ojej. Że każdy rodzaj daje po 4. Także jedna osoba ma na pewno, jak mówi, że w jednym...
Aha, bo ty mówisz, w jednym jest 4, tak.
Tak. I później
No.
zobaczymy, zrobimy
Dobra,
najpierw
dobra.
6 reklamówek i zobaczymy, ile zostanie.
Dobra.
Na pewno tego się da więcej, tych Bounty i Mars, ale to zobaczymy. 2, 3, 4. Te są naprawdę dobre. Wiesz, że te miętowe po włosku się nazywają After Eight, czyli dopo le otto? Tak?
Tak.
Daję
Tu dajesz po 4, tak?
Ale nie miesz, bo zapomnę. 4. I masz taką reklamóweczkę 4.